I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You're signed in and in YouTube Studio. Now open Content and Filter to Private so you only see items that need changing. Click the specific private video's title or the pencil icon to enter details. This is important because you must be editing the owner's version of the video, not a duplicate or playlist entry. Once in Details, you'll see visibility controls near the top. That's your first actionable control to change the access level. Now change visibility from private to unlisted if you want link-only access, or public if you want universal access. Choose Schedule to pick a future publish time. Make sure to verify audience settings, marking Made for Kids, alters discoverability and restrictions, and adjust monetization or age restrictions if applicable, because those affect who can watch. Once you select the right visibility and options, click Save. This updates the video record on YouTube servers. After saving, open the video link in an incognito window or another account to confirm the visibility change and playback. If the new visibility doesn't appear immediately, clear your browser cache and cookies, wait a few minutes for YouTube's servers to propagate changes, and refresh. This resolves most timing issues. If you can't save changes at all, make sure you're using the channel owner account or a user with edit permissions, since lack of rights is the common blocker.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.